Uh, Today we'll learn how to import data in the VosViewer software and how to analyze the keywords. So to import the data, you have to go the create options, then create map based on bibliometrics data, then go to the next and read data for bibliometrics database file here, then next and go to the Scopus. One thing important to mention you that if your dataset is Web of Science and you have to click here, and if your data is downloaded from the Scopus, you have to select the Scopus. Then there are two options others, PubMed and dimensions. So if your data from this particular sites, you have to select this. As my data is from the Scopus, I will select the Scopus, then go to there and I have to select the dataset first. Okay, this is this project. Okay, VosViewer, then okay, and go to the next. I used this data for my research paper that published in the Habitat International Journal. So you can find out this paper in the online available. I will share this link with you. So first, for keyword analysis, you have to go to the Co-Occurrence. Then if you want to analyze the all keywords, you have to select the all keywords. Then if you want to analyze the author keywords, you have to only author keywords, and if you want to analyze the index keyword, you have to select the index keyword. So as I have used all keywords in my paper, I will see this and it will be so much convenient for you all. And then you have to go to the next, and here if you want to keep 10 keywords in every paper, that's mean if there is a 10 common keywords, this paper will be selected. You can see here that there is a 4116 odds. It meet 135 thresholds. So go to the next now, then again next. Okay, so you can see here that there is a minimum 10 keywords here that I have selected earlier, and 643 keywords related to the residential satisfaction. So then go to the finish, and you will find here a paper, a visualization graph. So you can see here network visualization first, you can see here, then overlay visualization, and then the density visualization. I will see on paper that I used. Sorry, I need to open this paper first. So you can see here this graph, similar graph that I have produced now. Yeah, this graph I produced during my research papers. Firstly, it is the network visualization. You can see here I have selected the network visualization, and I use the overlay visualization here to see the trend here. If you read this paper, it will be much more familiar to you. You can understand very clearly this paper, this graph. In spite of this, I want to say something there are mainly some colors, different colors. So red, this actually red, purple, green. So this indicates these keywords are in a particular clusters. So if you say here, so over the time actually what types of topics had been included on that particular topics, that's mean in the residential satisfaction. So more clearly, what types of indicators has been investigated under the topics of the residential satisfaction. So I think that's all about this. Thank you for watching this video, and I will share this. I will share the link of this paper that I have published in the Habitat International, and this video also will be useful for all of you. Thank you so much for